The worst thing in South Africa, the worst thing that has ever happened in our country, South Africa, is to have Cyril Ramaphosa as our president, is to have Ubaba, Cyril Ramaphosa, as the president of this country. That is the worst thing ever that has ever happened in our country, South Africa. The guy does not care. Umjida, Ubaba, akanandaba nathi. He does not care. Ha anadaba. The only thing anendaba nayo, abangani bakhe nomndeni wakhe. But umjida akanandaba nathi. Akanandaba ne-South Africa. Akanandaba nabantu base-South Africa. Akanandaba nabantu abamnyama. The guy njengoba sibona adestroya inhlangano yakhe akuyo i-ANC. That is the exactly thing that he's also doing with our country, South Africa. As he is destroying the organization akuyo, he is also destroying our country. The worst things that has ever happened kuphethe umuntu, izinto ezimbi ngesikhathi kuphethe uCyril Ramaphosa njengoba aphethe manje. Our country is going in the drains. Our country, if we are not careful, it is going to end up being like these other African countries. Ubaba Cyril Ramaphosa is destroying South Africa every day. Every day, Ubaba Cyril Ramaphosa. We don't care who says what, who does what. But even those who can even come to our comment sections and want to defend. But the truth, iqiniso ngeke balibalekele ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa is destroying our country. He has destroyed his organization to a point that he has even said the DA is doing better than his organization. Now he is destroying our country. The leader with no solutions.